Greetings, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. We've got the Super Bowl coming up soon, so I'm going to do some videos here on some game day food. We're going to start out by doing some chicken wings, and we're going to feature the Atlanta Grill Company Wing Zing. So let's get started. The first thing I like to do is start with a whole chicken wing. The reason I like to do this is because these tend to be larger than the stuff you buy that's in the party wing packs. The first thing I want to do is take this wing tip off, so I'm just going to take my knife and go right down through the joint there. And you can do whatever you like with these tips. I like to save mine to make stock. And then the next thing you have to do is just cut down through the V here, slice down through that skin, and your knife will guide you right to this joint. And you can just pull this apart like that, and you can see here where the joint separates, and then you just run your knife right through there, and you've got two perfect. You've got the wing and the drumette. So I'm going to do these with the rest of my wings. Now that I have all these broken down, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take each one and I'm just going to towel dry it with some clean dry paper towels. And I'm going to toss these in a mixing bowl, and after I get them all dried, I'm just going to toss these in the refrigerator for a couple hours to help dry them out even more. I want to take a moment here to introduce you to the Atlanta Grill Company Wing Zing. And this is a set of 12 different wing dusts or wing seasonings. And these bags are rather large. They have, I don't know, it's 10 ounces in each bag, and you can look on the back of this and see how much that is. This stuff goes a pretty long way because you only need a tablespoon or two to season a batch of wings. But what we have here is we have one that's Nashville that's probably going to be nice and spicy. We've got Jamaican. We have salt and vinegar. We have sour cream and onion. And lemon pepper, garlic parmesan, honey barbecue, green chili queso, sweet teriyaki, Cajun, ranch, and buffalo. The only two of these that I've been into already, I've been into the buffalo and I've been into the garlic parmesan, and both of those are excellent. So we'll try something different on today's wing set, and I'm going to show you how these work. Okay, I've given these guys plenty of time to dry out in their fridge, and I have also preheated my Pellet Joe to about 400 degrees. So what I want to do from here is drizzle just a little bit of olive oil on the top of these guys, and I'm going to give them a toss in that to get these guys lightly coated with just a very thin coat of olive oil. And then I'm just going to crack the Pellet Joe open, and I'm going to put these guys all on the grill. And after I get these on here, we're just going to close it up and let these cook for about 40 minutes or so before we come back. We've been going about 35 minutes here, and these guys are just about ready. So I'm going to put a little measuring cup up here with some butter in it. We're going to let that butter melt while these are finishing their last few minutes. Okay, our butter is just about melted, so I'm going to get these wings off and get them back in our clean mixing bowl. Now that I've got those out, I'm going to drizzle some of my melted butter in on top of these, and we're just going to give those a toss. I may drizzle in just a little bit more. You want to just get a light coat of the butter on these, and then we're going to use the Atlanta Grill Company Honey BBQ Wing Zing seasoning, and I've put some of this in my shaker, so we're just going to give that a shake onto these and toss them as we go. And you're going to use about maybe a tablespoon or two. And these things look good to go, so I'm going to take a taste off of one of these right here. Oh yeah, that has a great flavor. I'm even going to shake some more of that on there and get a nice liberal coat of this one. Each of these different seasoning blends they have, you're going to want to apply those to taste. Some of them are hotter than others, so guys, you're going to have to give these a try and let me know what you think. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.